The stock market is a game of patience and perseverance where those who never give up will ultimately succeed. Tony Robbins. Let's jump into these charts, my friends. We see stocks and gold and Bitcoin are up. Bonds are pulling back a little bit. As we move into the last day of the week, we have a doji here on the S&P 500 up 0.66% for the day. We can see 3 red down candles, 6 days of down movement on the 2-day chart. And of course, we have a spinning top, almost a doji, on the Wednesday, Thursday, and again, not up to average volume. As we look at the 2-day, go from the 2-day to the half-day, we can see where things have really just sort of slid sideways until the day when they popped up in the morning. A little further up in the afternoon, it looks like on these Heikin-Ashi candlesticks, but a doji on the weekly. We've crossed over the weekly trend line. We have stayed below it. Friday's going to tell us a good bit about, where things are at this point and where they may very well be going. So be paying close attention to what happens on Friday. Maybe a jumping in point, particularly if the market really sells off and starts to hammer down. So we shall wait, watch and see, and be ready to act. Now, QQQ, that is the NASDAQ, the tech stocks, we've now gone from a red down candle to a red spinning top at 1.37%. Again, on the 2-day chart, not average volume, didn't get up to it, particularly after that huge volume on the prior down candle. We see where things popped up in the morning and the afternoon on Thursday. Didn't quite hit average volume on either one of those half-day sessions. But as we look, we'll be paying attention. Again, we're close to average volume right now. If today's a good volume day, we may hit it. So we'll watch, wait, and see, make our decisions accordingly. Bonds down a little bit, 0.20%, but you can see on the 2-day chart how it's clearly passed through the weekly trend line. The half day, that was really occurring on Monday and Tuesday, and then just sort of sliding sideways, pulling a little back, maybe digesting those gains, but a clean crossover going up. Looks like we'll probably hit average volume too. And of course, gold just keeps going, my friends. Just keeps going, 0.30%. Not much today after that pullback for a day on Wednesday. Up a little bit in the afternoon. It appears on the Heikin-Ashi candlesticks we're already above average volume. So gold continues its luster. And we look at Bitcoin up 1.76%. It went up, talked about digesting gains yesterday. It did. And it went for some more and popped up again. So Bitcoin continuing on its run. Beautiful to see. I tell you what I am going to put in here. I'm going to put in a horizontal line just to note for us where Bitcoin ran up to before. Is this going to be a ceiling? We had a floor here. Are we going to have a ceiling here? Are we going to blast through it, or will it take some time and energy to build up to make that happen? That is where we are as we end the day on Thursday, go into Friday. Thanks so much for being with us, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth.